Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Precious. On this channel we talk about beauty, skincare, wig and all of that, everything related to beauty and everything falls under beauty. And this particular video I will be showing you my morning skincare routine that I normally use, and it is so perfect. And if you need that instant glow on your skin and you want someone to ask you, girl, what product do you use or what products are you using, then this video might be for you. And in this particular video I just used 5 products, and those products are very affordable. You can find it in anywhere, your supermarkets, Amazon, on any platform. You can actually get it, and they are very affordable skincare that actually work. This is for you. Okay, do not forget to like, subscribe and share to your friends, on your notification button so that anytime I post you will be the first to be notified. Let's get into the video. The thing that comes in is tuna, and this is from V Cosmetic. Is it for the first step. The second step is our serum, and this is from Serum. It's so nice. This serum is perfect. And also make sure that you rub around your neck. Okay, your neck is not left out. And when doing this, please give some seconds before going with the next product so that your skin can actually absorb it before any other thing. Okay, allow your skin to breathe. First product before the second product. This gives your skin not to break out. And the third thing on my list is nail mousse, and it's from Secrets. A little always goes a long way. And gentle pat into your skin, okay? moisturizer. A good moisturizer is always the best, because anything in your skincare, the most important thing on your skincare list is a moisturizer and a sunscreen. Can never be skipped on your skincare journey or your skincare days. On my list is a sunscreen, and this is from Purito. This is one of the sunscreen that anytime I use it, it can never leave a white cast on my face. That is what I need, and this is so good. It doesn't have oils and all of that. What I normally do, I will not just apply my sunscreen instantly. I will gentle pat it on my face and before blending it into my skin. That is what I normally do before gentle patting it into my skin. Minutes later, this is how it is looking on my skin. So it's just gentle pat it on my skin and we are good to go. See the instant glow. This is what I'm talking about. When you use a good product and the right product, you will achieve those glows you want after your skincare routine. Arawanda spray. Actually use this for your face to give you that instant glow. Let me show you what I'm talking about. And this is the final step of my skincare. Do you see how glow it is? Like those skincare actually give me this glow. It's so good. I will be listing down every product that I use in this particular video. I will be listing it down below. And if you want me to also add the link, I can actually add the link below this video. And thank you for watching to the end. And please do not forget to subscribe, like and share to your friends, and turn on the notification button so that anytime I post, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you all, and thank you for stopping by, and see you all in my next video. Bye bye. Shop keys. Ciao ciao.